you have hand chakras, one in each palm of your hand, big, they're big, and you have a fingertip chakra, one in each fingertip, and you can set these chakras, specifically these chakras, to a metallic gold color, like this glitter, with your intention, and therefore, as they naturally spin and generate energy, they're generating energy at that gold vibration, which is really nice for unblocking and repairing and letting go. And so you can use one hand to unblock the other. So like the more you unclog any chakra, the better it works to generate energy. Okay, so I hope you don't mind the busyness of this graphic, but it shows the points that are in the torso of the two really important and cool meridians. The yellow one on the left of your screen is the urinary bladder meridian, the part of it that goes down the back. And the orange one is in the front is the kidney meridian. So that's why it says UB, and UB for urinary bladder and KI for kidney meridian. So for starters, I'm just going to play both of those meridians so you get a better sense of them. But that's kind of quick, like maybe a minute and a half to play both videos, and then we'll just go ahead and get going doing it. So the urinary bladder meridian starts in the corner of the eye, inner corner of the eye, and goes up to the top of the head and down the back. So we're going to be doing all these back points right here. So that's sort of the inner branches and the butt points. And then it's going to go also show the outer branches. It doesn't actually go back up. It just has to show one at a time, I guess. So there we go. More butt points. And then we won't really do much with this lower part of the urinary bladder meridian, but just so you know, it goes down the back of the leg and down to the pinky toe. Okay, and then the kidney one starts in the sole of the foot and goes in the inner ankle and goes up the inner leg, inner leg, kind of the back of the leg at one point. And then, so this is the part that we're going to be doing, is the torso points right there, right up the midline on either side of the conception vessel meridian, up, and ends in the chest. Right, so those are the two that we're going to do, but you know, this way I don't have to keep messing around with graphics. You can see both the urinary bladder meridian going down the back in the yellow line and the kidney meridian going up the front with the orange line. So let's do it. First, you can just do direct, use gold light from your hands, use copies out in front of you. And just melt away blocks, use gold light to repair. Your intention is you want to do what's healthy and gentle to do right now. So first, we're doing direct healing right on these meridians. You don't so much have to worry about the direction of flow if you're repairing and unblocking, because the chakras know which direction they go, but it's the urinary bladder one goes down the back and the kidney one goes up the front. So down the back, up the front. So for those of you that have anxiety issues, the kidney meridian, the points that are, where the kidney meridian is really tight around the conception vessel, the orange line right there, the points that go, basically those points have a big effect on the chakras, the front of the first chakra, second chakra, third chakra, because they're right there in the same space. So it's really nice to have strong, good flow in this kidney meridian to help your major chakras as well. And then the auras, because each of these meridians, of the 12 regular meridians and governing vessel and conception vessel, they all have a Wei Qi aura to go with them. That the job of the Wei Qi aura is to protect and nourish with gold light that meridian, right? So the urinary bladder meridian has its own Wei Qi aura that goes all around you. You can be aware of that and unblock that extra. And the kidney meridian has its own Wei Qi aura. And its job is to nourish and protect the kidney meridian. You can look for blocks there and unblock that. I mean, if the meridian, if the Wei Qi aura was ripped, your job would be to repair it. But if it's already repaired, then you can just look for big energy blocks and melt those. You can say to angels, if there are any invasive beings messing with these meridians or Wei Qi auras, can you please recycle them? You can comb through both the meridians at the same time. Just start in the center of the body and just comb outward. So you get a whole bunch of blocks that are healthy and gentle to get rid of. And just say, angels, you recycle any invasive beings in these blocks or courting these blocks. And then just melt people out of these energy blocks, melt cords, wash yourself out. And when you get everybody out, then the blocks just dissolve. But if they're not dissolving, you could blow them up, or you could wrap them in gold light and give them to your angels. Say, angels, can you help me with all that? Mm. So again, comb through both of these, the torso section of both of these meridians. And just melt away blocks to the extent that's healthy and gentle. All right, and just breathe into your body. See how that feels for you. Breathe into your auras. You could redo both your groundings, make them big and wide all the way down to the core of the earth. Comb through your groundings. See how your groundings are after you did that clearing. All right. Good job, good job, good job.